How to find Binance coupon code. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Binance coupon code. There are various coupon websites like RetailMeNot, CouponChief, Coupons.com where you can find different coupon codes. For that, you need to open any web browser on a device first. Here I'm going with the Google Chrome. Once on the Chrome browser, here in the search bar, you need to type CouponChief.com. You may also use other websites if you prefer them. Now once you type in the keyword, search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of CouponChief. Here once you reach to this page, here you will find the search box. Tap on the search box and here type in Binance. Once you type in Binance, at the bottom you will find the search results. You can tap on this Binance promo code or simply Binance. Once you tap on it, you will be presented with various Binance-related coupon codes. Here you need to scroll down and find the one that you would like to use. Also, you may tap on this More Details option right at the bottom of each of this coupon code, and from there you can see the details of the coupon code you are going to use. And once you find the coupon code that you would like to use, you need to tap on this Get Promo Code button, and once you tap on it, you will be presented with this pop-up window where you can find the promo code. Now you need to copy this promo code. For that, long press on the promo code button and then at the top you will find some options. Tap on this copy option. By doing this, it will be copied to your clipboard. And once it is copied to clipboard, you can tap on this Binance.com to enter the Binance website, and there you can use this coupon code and redeem it. So by following the steps, you should be able to get or find Binance promo code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.